Alright, let's say you've invested in one of these fine Japanese rust buckets. Let's say that you were driving down the road and an officer pulls you over. And being a nice officer of the law, he tells you that you've got a rear brake light out. And you're like, oh gee, thank you, sir. I really appreciate that. And then say that, because he understands, like you didn't know. It's a brake light. You can't like have your running lights on and understand that, you have a brake light out. It's not like you have somebody always checking your brake lights for you. So, him being the nice officer and all, gives you a fix-it ticket for a brake light being out. Because we understand that. And it's going to be the bottom one, by the way, because the red, the brake light. But yeah, so you got to change out one of these bulbs. So, you're going to need an 1157, dual coil. And it's halogen, so you can touch the bulb. Ah, it's nice, right? Old things are nice. And all it does is you push down, twist in to get it out, push down, twist out. Simple, god damn. I love how simple things are. See, was that really necessary for a fix-it ticket? Was that? Maybe, if I could set it in right. Ta-da! And these are 10mm bolts. Yeah, you can get those bulbs at any automotive store. Really common. All done. Catch you on the next one.